So let me show you how to download AutoCAD for free. So first head over to autodesk.com and you should subscribe to get additional access, for example, or teacher access or professional access. So here I already have the student plan on Autodesk, so we'll access this with a free plan. Use your free email from your institution or university. You get 1 a year subscription. And this is the steps to sign up download option. So we're going to sign up for using school email, confirm eligibility, check your email address, complete your inscription of your mail, and verify to download. So here I already checked my email and they send me this link. So you click on Copy Account Setup and you should be able to see this student plan activated. So let's get back here. And here we're gonna, just after that, click on AutoCAD. You'll get to Products and you should see here the Install button for AutoCAD. Click on it and you should see this installation is being completed. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.